Bedtime Stories. The Missing Moon. Maisha loved to watch the night sky. She sat for hours and watched her friend, Shiny the moon. One night, the moon was missing. There was a huge hole where the moon used to be. Maisha needs to find her friend.
Shiny. Oh Shiny, where are you?
She goes to Jimmy the giraffe and Jumbo the elephant asking for help. Both of them say they will not be able to help her, as they were day animals and at night, their vision is weak.
Please help me find my friend Shiny.
Sorry, we are day animals.
Our vision is weak at night.
Maisha becomes sad and weeps as she missed the moon. She meets Acrobat the bat and tells him about the missing moon.
Why do you cry, little girl?
I am crying because I can't find my friend, Shiny.
Acrobat tells her that he and his brother Hedwig, the owl, are night animals, have strong night vision and are ready to help her.
Don't worry. Me and my brother will help you. We are night animals.
Oh, thank you Acrobat.
Maisha cheers up and sits on Acrobat's back as they follow Hedwig in the deep jungle. They see a light shining between two trees and follow the light. After a while, they find the moon.
Shiny, how did you get here? Oh, I was worried.
I went to meet my cousin, Moonfish, and now I'm stuck here. Help me, please.
Moon had gone to meet his cousin, Moonfish, in the sea, and on his way back, got stuck between two trees. Maisha, along with Hedwig and Acrobat, helps her friend Shiny out, and the huge hole where the moon used to be was filled again. Few questions to engage your child. Maisha leaves in search of the moon. Why do you think people help each other? If Maisha, Acrobat and Hedwig would not have found the moon, what might have happened? What do you mean by day and night animals? Why are they called so? Are there any day or night animals in the story? For more bedtime stories, subscribe to our channel.